Have you ever opened your front door expecting a quiet afternoon, only to find a small, lifeless gift waiting on the floor? Maybe it was a mouse, maybe a bird, and maybe your cat was sitting nearby, looking strangely proud. It's one of those moments that makes you pause and think, why? Why would a well-fed, much-loved house cat feel the need to hunt and then bring the evidence home? It feels unsettling, even confusing, especially when you know their food bowl is always full. But beneath that tiny predator's whiskers is a story that stretches back thousands of years. And today, we will uncover the instinct behind your cat's curious gifts, right here on History of Simple Things. To understand this behavior, we have to start with who cats really are. Our modern house cats, scientifically known as Felis catus, are domesticated, but not in the same way dogs are. Dogs were bred for specific jobs over tens of thousands of years, shaped to work closely with humans. Cats, on the other hand, largely domesticated themselves. Around 9,000 to 10,000 years ago, in the Near East, wild cats were drawn to early farming communities because of rodents feeding on stored grain. The boldest and least fearful of these wild cats stayed close to humans, and over generations, a quiet partnership formed. But domestication didn't erase their instincts. Even the fluffiest indoor cat still carries the biology of a solitary hunter. Unlike lions, which hunt cooperatively, wild cats hunt alone. They stalk, they pounce, and they rely on stealth and precision. That instinct is deeply wired into their nervous system. Hunting isn't just about hunger, it's about behavior. One of the most important things to understand is that cats don't only hunt because they're starving. Studies of domestic cats show that well-fed cats will still hunt if given the opportunity. The drive to stalk and capture prey is controlled by instinctual neural circuits in the brain, separate from the circuits that regulate hunger. In simple terms, your cat can feel full and still feel compelled to chase something that moves. That explains the hunting. But why bring the prey home? One widely supported theory connects this behavior to maternal instinct. In the wild, mother cats bring prey back to their kittens. At first, she brings it dead, so the kittens can eat safely. Later, she may bring back injured or live prey to teach them how to hunt. Hunting is a learned skill, and this is how kittens practice. When your cat drops a mouse at your feet, she may be responding to that ancient caregiving script. In her mind, you might be part of her social group, perhaps even a rather incompetent kitten who clearly cannot hunt for yourself. It sounds funny, but it aligns with feline social behavior. Cats don't see us as owners in the way dogs might. Research into feline social cognition suggests that cats view humans as part of their environment and social circle, not necessarily as dominant leaders. If your cat feels bonded to you, bringing prey home could be a form of sharing or caregiving. Another explanation involves territory. Cats are territorial animals. In the wild, bringing prey back to a safe location allows them to eat without competition. Your home is your cat's secure base. It's a place free from rival cats and predators. So even if they don't intend to share the prey, they may simply feel safest consuming or storing it there. There's also the possibility that the act of bringing prey home reduces risk. Outdoor environments are unpredictable. Other predators, dogs, larger cats, birds of prey, could steal the catch. By transporting it to a secure location, your cat ensures control over their hard-earned meal. Interestingly, not all cats bring prey home. Some eat it where they catch it. Some abandon it entirely. Personality plays a role. Age does too. Younger cats may be more enthusiastic hunters. Female cats, especially those who have had kittens, may be more likely to exhibit prey-sharing behavior linked to maternal instincts. Now here's something important that often gets overlooked. From an ecological perspective, domestic cats are highly effective predators. Studies estimate that free-ranging domestic cats kill billions of birds and small mammals annually worldwide. This isn't a moral judgment, it's a biological fact. Cats are small, agile, and equipped with sharp, retractable claws, keen night vision, and sensitive hearing. Even a well-fed pet cat can have a significant impact on local wildlife populations. That's why many veterinarians and wildlife experts recommend keeping cats indoors or providing supervised outdoor time. Indoor cats tend to live longer as well, often 12 to 18 years or more, while outdoor cats face risks from traffic, disease, and predators. Reducing outdoor hunting doesn't just protect wildlife, it protects your cat. So what should you do if your cat brings home prey? First, try not to punish them. From your cat's perspective, they're not misbehaving. They're performing a natural behavior that has been part of their species for thousands of years. Scolding them can create confusion or anxiety without actually stopping the instinct. Instead, focus on prevention and redirection. Interactive play is one of the best tools. Toys that mimic prey, like feather wands or small moving objects, allow your cat to stalk, chase, and pounce in a controlled environment. Feline behaviorists often recommend a hunt, catch, kill, eat, groom, sleep routine. Play intensely for a few minutes, let your cat capture the toy, then offer food. This sequence mirrors their natural hunting cycle and can reduce the drive to seek real prey outside. The next time it happens, you may still feel that initial shock. That reaction is human, but behind that small, silent offering is a story of biology, motherhood, territory, and survival. It's a glimpse into the quiet wildness that still lives in our living rooms. And maybe that's what makes cats so captivating. They are both domestic and untamed, both affectionate companions and efficient predators. They sit at the edge of two worlds, and every now and then, they remind us of it in the most unexpected way. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.